So guys, here we are at the 2006 Infiniti FX35, and today we're going to be dealing with that puppy right there. That's a common failure where the cap here comes off, and I'm going to show you how to access that. First, there's a rubber grommet here. You're going to have to take that out, and inside is going to be a Torx screw. All right, once you screw that off, then you'll be able to went to the salvage yard. Is able to pick up a few of these. I think this might fit the bill. So when we're done, it's going to go back on here like that, and we're going to be sitting nice and tidy. All right, so this is the driver's side door, and there's a rubber grommet here, and I'm gonna use a Torx bit. Right, you're gonna get in there, loosen that. Hopefully the screw don't fall all the way down. I think there's a backstop on the screw, all right, which should prevent it from falling in. That should give you enough leverage to put this on, and the screw bolts on to that part once it's in there, once it goes in like that. All right, and that's it. And guys, this is the screw we're talking about here. It's gonna be a Torx, so you just get in there with your Torx bit, loosen it up, and that's how you access that. All right, so sorry guys, I might have had that turned backwards, but it's going to be like that. All right, and then it goes in here, and that screw attaches through here. And there you see I have a magnet holding on to that screw, making sure that it doesn't fall in, so that'll be a good idea. All right, and I believe the bit on this is a T30 on this Torx bit here. All right. Right, and all we're doing is just inserting that over there like that. Right, that should snap into place. You hear that snap, right? And then you can resume to tighten that screw to hold that in. All right, and that's it guys. 06 Infiniti FX35. If yours is a newer type, I'm not sure. I believe some of them do not have that keyhole on the newer ones, so it comes with a blank like this, but it's the same concept. All right, one key out, and that's it guys. Just like that, it's back in, and we're looking good. All right, so one key out.